Adverb clauses of comparison and contrast are fascinating elements of English that can add depth and clarity to our sentences. Let's dive into how they work, starting with the adverb clause of contrast. These clauses help us express disagreement or contrast between two ideas, and they're introduced by words like although, though, even though, and while. For instance, take the sentence, although it was raining, we went for a walk. Here, the clause although it was raining sets up a contrast. It suggests that despite the unfavorable weather, we still made the choice to go for a walk. This structure allows us to highlight the unexpectedness of the action. It's not just about the rain, it's about the determination to enjoy the day regardless of it. Another example could be, even though she was tired, she finished her project. This shows that her fatigue didn't stop her from completing her work. The use of even though emphasizes the strength of her resolve. It's a powerful way to convey that sometimes circumstances don't dictate our actions. Now let's shift gears to adverb clauses of comparison. These clauses are used to compare two things, often using structures like as, or than. For example, he is as tall as his brother. This simple comparison tells us that their heights are equal, creating a clear image in our minds. It's straightforward but effective. Another example could be, she runs faster than her friend. Here, we're not just stating a fact, we're making a comparison that highlights a difference in speed. The word then is crucial here, as it sets up the relationship between the two subjects. When using these clauses, it's important to remember their placement in a sentence. An adverb clause of contrast can come at the beginning or the end of a sentence. For instance, while I enjoy hiking, my brother prefers biking. This structure allows us to present two contrasting preferences clearly. On the other hand, adverb clauses of comparison typically follow the main clause. For example, she is smarter than anyone in her class. This structure emphasizes the comparison directly after stating the subject's quality. Understanding these clauses can significantly enhance your writing and speaking. They allow for more nuanced expression, making your communication richer and more engaging. So, next time you're crafting a sentence, think about how you can incorporate these clauses to convey contrast or comparison effectively. Whether you're discussing preferences, abilities, or experiences, using adverb clauses can elevate your language and make your points clearer.